Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Kali Linux on Windows 11 or 10 in easiest method. You don't need any complex technical knowledge to install it. So, let's get started. First of all, open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. All links are given in the description box. Please check these links. Here you can see the download link, or here you can see the Get Kali link. Click here. You will see this interface. Then select the virtual machine. Here you can see two options: 32 or 64-bit. All new computers are usually 64-bit. My computer is 64-bit. So I will select 64-bit. You can select torrent or normal download. I will select just normal compressed download. Now open this to download the VirtualBox. Now select your operating system. As we are going to install it on a Windows machine, I will select Windows and it will start downloading the file for you. As the file size is large, it will take some time to download the Kali Linux file. So I will come back later after downloading both Kali and VirtualBox. Now open the folder where you download these files. Here you can see the VirtualBox. Double-click on it. And simply install the software. As I have previously installed Kali Linux, I will delete it. So you can see the interface when you first install the VirtualBox. This is the main interface when you first install the VirtualBox. Now minimize this and extract the Kali Linux file you have downloaded. After extracting, you will find two files like this. Just select the first file. It's normally a 3 to 4 KB small file. It's the configuration file for the VirtualBox. It will automatically install all configuration. Before start, we need to make some modifications. If you want, you can change the name from the General tab. Our main target is to change the system configuration. Click on the System tab. Base memory means RAM. I have 16 GB. So I will select 4 GB. It's enough for Kali. Don't select more than half of your system memory. It will slow down your machine. And core is the processor core. I will select 4 for Kali. If you have less processor, you can keep it too. Now go to Main Thing Network tab to use Internet. You can choose different options. Select Bridge Connection. As I have a USB wireless adapter, I will select it to use in Kali. You can choose a other option. All is done. Now save the configuration. And after that, click the Start button. It will take some time to install. They will ask password and username. You can find your password in the description here. It's usually Kali in lowercase. Everything is working fine. You can see the network connection is running. We can check simple terminal command to see if it is actually working. We can see list. Navigate some folders. As there is nothing, it's showing empty. If we go to Apps and Tools, we can see all the available tools here. We can open the browser to check if the internet connection is working. It's working fine, though a little bit slow. So you can now sign out. Next time you want to open, just open the VirtualBox and click Start. It's that simple. Thanks for watching this. If you have any doubt about this tutorial, please feel free to let me know in the comments section. If this video helps you, please like and share this video.